Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Well, I was about to open up my latest IPSY box and I decided in this moment to share it with you guys. I don't know if you're familiar with IPSY, but this is a monthly makeup box that you can get as a subscription. I had gotten this years ago and then I had stopped and I completely forgot all about it until one of my subscribers, Barbara, reminded me about IPSY. Hi Barbara, I am thrilled that you reminded me about this because I've been getting it for the last few months and I've been really enjoying what comes in this box. And I didn't realize this the last time I had subscribed, but you can actually pick and choose the majority of the things that come in the box. Before they send it to you, they will send you an email saying, hey, you gotta pick your preferences, and you can go out, you have like 3 days to go out and pick your preferences. And so it's nice, it's like if you need a moisturizer that month, or you need a new mascara or whatever, like in this particular box, I've been thinking about getting some new makeup brushes, and one of the options was makeup brushes. So I chose those. So I'm gonna get this open. Yeah. Let's see what's in this box. So these are the makeup brushes, half caked, the Essentials Face Collection. So I'll take those out of the box and show you those. Then I chose a full size. This is a eyeshadow palette, so we'll see what's inside there. Then I got Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. I'm always in the market for an eye cream, so I'm gonna try that. And then the last thing in here, I needed a face moisturizer. I ran out of the one I was using, so this is a full size. This is by Dermalactives. This is a purifying day cream, elastin and collagen rejuvenation. So pretty nice. I got a full size face cream here, so I'm excited about that. So you know, I don't have to go out and try to find one. No scent, unscented, which is good. All right, so that is the face cream, the eye cream, or the eye gel. Whoops. It's a really good size. And it's a little pump. So I'm gonna be excited to try that. And let's look at the eyeshadow palette. Nice big size. Iconic London. Got a nice mirror on there. Ooh, these are beautiful shades. Perfect for the fall season that's coming up. And yeah, it's got some light colors. It's got some pinky colors, some gold, some like sort of cinnamon colors, browns, and then a dark, like almost black down here. So you can really do some cute looks with this palette. So Iconic London, that's really cool. I'm gonna have fun trying that out. And lastly, I'm going to take a look at these brushes. Okay. They just have numbers on them, but they look really nice. Let's take them out of the plastic. I've got one that looks like this would be great for blush. Oh, nice and soft. Beautiful. You love to try new brushes. This one is this is an angled brush, so this would be good for like your contours, or it's so soft. And this last one it's also angled, good for like under eye like powder. These are really nice brushes. and they give you like the numbers on there. I don't know if, you know, if there's a place that you can go to look up these numbers, but I love them. They're nice and soft. And I also got this lip oil. This is Cinta London Rosa lip oil. This looks really nice. Ooh, it's just a nice pinky lip oil. Let's try it out. Lip oils are, you know, nice, and people use them just to put over your lipstick or by itself. I have a little bit of like a lip stain underneath here. Feels good. No taste, really. No scent, I should say. Yeah, I mean, pretty cool to just throw in your bag and take along with you when your lips feel dry. Love it. So yeah, so that is my IPSY monthly subscription box, and then you can just go, they'll send you an email so you can go online and learn more about each product. If you wanted to learn more about the eye gel or something like that, you could do that. So yeah, guys, I'm happy with it, and thanks again, Barbara, for reminding me about IPSY. And if you want to check it out, I will link their website below, and you can go out, check it out, and maybe try it out for yourself for 1 month or for as long as you want to. So that's it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you will give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I hope that if you aren't already, you will subscribe to my channel. So thanks again for stopping by, everybody. Take care. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.